Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Volkswagen Golf Trendline. Stock reference number 4752. The shape runs from the 12th month 2008 through to the 8th month 2013. It has a CAYC 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an LST automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CAYC 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand rear. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard has one dent. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left door appears to have no damage. The left-hand tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Rear bar reinforcement. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Black cloth center console lid. Automatic type console. Automatic gear shifter. Climate control, heater controls without seat warmer, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.